Hello guys, today we're playing Big Scary, but it's raining. And we're outside. Yeah, so it'll protect our VR. My VR is quite hot as well. That'll be good, huh? Let's go. Come on, Evan. I'm so scared. Wait. Run, Evan, you're actually dumb. Hey, why didn't you run with me? Which way did it go? Run! I hear it! Oh my god, it's too realistic. Go down, just go down. I'm not capable for this. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Clean it. There we go. My hands are wet now. Oh my god, let's go. Okay, repeat level 1. When I wanted to turn my VR, I had to turn my whole head because I had to turn my whole body because of the thing. Because I had my hood on, I had to turn my whole body. I see a banana buck. I see 2. I'm going to get another banana buck. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Clean your controllers as well. Wait, I'm back. Hey, did you get the 2? Did you get 2 of them? Okay, let's go get the other ones. There we go. Okay. Let's go. I'm going this way. I'm rushing it. Run! When you do it, wall climb. You monkey! Wait for me, please. Just let me wait for me. This is so gay. Yeah, give me a bot. Huh? What? Yeah, give me a haircut. Let me see my haircut, let me see it. What is that? Bot! What do you think you're doing, huh? Oh. I hate this next one. I hate it. I always see a banana buck. So just go get the banana buck real quick. Yeah, bet. Yeah, I see it, run. Down here, man, down here. Come down. Get it. It's right behind you, and just run, get it and run. How do you know? Because I saw it. Oh,